Today I'm going to talk about the code of binary search version 2. Now, what is binary search version 2? We can have a look at that in our second episode of our binary search playlist. Let us have a look at the method signature. The first part of our method signature indicates that this method called binary search can be accessed by any particular class. The next input is boolean, the next component or else, which means that the output can be true or false. The next component is called the method name, which is binary search. Within brackets we have the inputs, which are the array of the type integer of the name array and target of the type integer. Then we initialize two variables start and end, be it 0 and length of the array minus 1, which indicates that start is at first element and end is at last element. Then we run a while loop. Now what does a while loop do? While loop executes certain number of statements until a termination condition is met. Now what is our termination condition? Once end index is larger than start index, then we come out of the loop. Now what do we do in the loop exactly? First we find the mid element index. How do we find that? Ceiling of start plus end divided by 2. Now after obtaining the mid index, we compare the middle element with the target element. Now what is target element? The element that we're looking for. If target turns out to be the middle element, then we return true. That means target element exists in the array of the type integer. Then if target, the element that we're looking for, has a value larger than mid element, we apply the formula end equals mid minus 1. Why is that? All the elements on the right hand side of mid element will have a value larger than the element that we're looking for. In the other case, the else block being mid element has a value larger than target, we apply this particular formula start equals mid plus 1, as all elements on the left hand side of mid will have a value larger than target. Now our loop ends. We return false finally, as in the end we are left with one element and that one element does not turn out to be our target. Hence we return false as our return type is boolean. Thanks for listening.